Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss about Google My Business, also known as GMB. We will see what it is, how it works, and why it is essential for any business that wants to attract local customers. Google My Business is a free tool from Google that allows businesses to create and manage their online presence across Google Search and Google Maps. It helps customers find essential information about your business quickly. With GMB, you can display your business name, address, phone number, website, operating hours, photos, customer reviews, and even updates about offers or events. A well-optimized GMB profile increases your visibility in local searches, improve customer trust through reviews, and help customers contact or visit you directly from Google. One of the main benefits of GMB is appearing in Google Local Pack. This is the section that displays top local business listing with the map and contact information right in search results. Google My Business plays a major role in local SEO. Keeping your profile complete and accurate helps Google match your business with relevant local searches and improve your ranking. You can manage your GMB profile by adding regular updates, responding to reviews, uploading new photos, and monitoring insights to understand how customers find and interact with your listing. GMB Insight shows data on how many people viewed your profile, where they found it, what actions they took, and what keywords they used to find your business. The main benefits of using GMB are more local exposure, better customer engagement, improved credibility, and increased leads both online and offline. Google My Business is a free and powerful tool to promote your business in local search results. Keeping your profile complete, active, and accurate is a key to gaining local customers. Thank you for watching. If you do not have a Google My Business profile yet, create one today to boost your local presence and attract more customers. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.